Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this metal platform bed. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this bed, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This bed ships in this long flat box, and right on top is the instruction manual. Here is the pre-organized pack of hardware. Here is the center support beam, which folds open as I'm showing here. Here are 2 out of the 4 side rails. And here are the 2 remaining side rails. Here are 2 out of the 3 cross support beams. Here is the first set of metal slats. Here are the 2 support feet. And here is the second set of metal slats. Here's the last cross support beam. Here are the 2 headboard legs. Here is the metal framed footboard. And here is the metal framed headboard. The heavy-duty metal on the headboard and footboard is high quality and adds sturdiness to the overall structure of the bed. So now that you're ready to assemble your bed, the #1 tip to assembling this bed properly is to finger tighten the bolts first before finally fully tightening them. This bed only uses machine bolts for hardware. Therefore, the metal frame parts cannot be restricted since the bolts need to fit exactly into their corresponding holes. So to seamlessly get the bolts to fit, all of the metal frame parts need to be loose. Now, there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up, and 99% of the time it's because they have over-tightened a bolt, and it's restricting the bed parts from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each bolt by first finger tightening them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the bed sits level to the floor. Now, to quickly review this industrial style metal platform bed, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this bed is awesome. First things first, let's talk about design. This platform bed combines industrial style with a rustic twist. It features a rectangular silhouette with distressed wooden accents that add a cozy and earthy feel to your space. Perfect for those who love a modern yet timeless look. Now, you might be wondering about options. Well, good news. This bed frame comes in both brown and black, and you can choose between full or queen sizes. So whether you're furnishing a guest room or a room for a family member, there's an option for most use cases. But what about sturdiness, you ask? This bed frame is built with a reinforced metal framework and heavy-duty metal slats, providing rock-solid support and stability. No wobbling, no worries, just a good night's sleep. Now, one of my favorite features has to be the space-saving design. You get over 12 inches of underbed clearance, ideal for stashing away storage bins and keeping your room clutter-free. It's perfect for small spaces or anyone who loves staying organized. And for those who value peace and quiet, you'll love the noise-free design. The metal center supports come with padding to mute any friction between metal parts, ensuring you enjoy a noiseless sleep. Plus, the metal slat system eliminates the need for a box spring, which makes for a seamless bed transition. Now, as for the assembly, it took about an hour and 15 minutes to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, the bed also comes with an Allen key to tighten all the bolts. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 2 to 4 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this industrial style metal platform bed and would highly recommend it if you're looking to elevate your home decor with a rustic piece that's sturdy, stylish, and practical all at once. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.